Well, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about... shit. Well, welcome back to Homesteading It, or IT. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about some batteries, like four-wheeler battery, kids' little four-wheeler batteries, stuff like that. Just kind of give you an idea, a couple tips about some batteries, some ways to save you some money, and ways to reuse stuff that you may already have. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Now, what most every four-wheeler has is a battery. Some four-wheelers have a kickstart, mine does not. But rather than continually buying batteries for this thing, I decided to use what I had, which down to the side of here, and I see it's frozen. Oh, there it goes. I put together two batteries because I needed a higher amperage to get it going when it's cold. And these are the same batteries that you'll see in the next part of the video. It's out of an old battery backup. They are cheap if you gotta buy them off of eBay, and they're free if you work in IT like I do. And so what I've done is I've made myself a little adapter, which just basically adapts to what normally would be inside of your four-wheeler, just with a nut. And then I made myself a Y adapter to give me the two batteries, to give you double your amperage, so that when it's cold, like today, I finally got some snow and it's a little bit chilly out. So basically the same kind of idea. You got a spade connector, plug it in there, plug it in there, you're good to go. Now, I did have some glue on here before between the batteries, and they used to stick together a lot better, but we're just gonna hook it up the best that we can given the circumstances and show you guys what happens. So, hook up the power adapter here. Even with one of them off. Now, the four-wheeler will run without the battery, but it doesn't run very well. Anyways, this has been cold below freezing for a few days. This is not a really outdoor shed. It's just more to keep the rain and snow off four-wheeler. And here we go. Got plenty of charge. Give her a little choke. And as you can see, the battery's holding up. Well, that concludes this video. If you liked the video, do the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to come. Obviously, we're not going to do a whole lot outside stuff today or next week, it looks like, because we actually have winter for a change. Anyways, this is Jason from Homesteader IT. We'll see you next time.